All right, guys, I'm going to try to explain a timeline for you. I know a timeline can be kind of tough. A timeline is very similar to a number line in math. A number line in math looks like this. Here in the middle, we have 0, and then going to the right, the numbers increase. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And they decrease going left. You have -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay? So a timeline is very similar. Today we won't have to deal with going past 0. We will do other timelines later in the year where we will have AD and BC, but we're not going to worry about that today. So an example of how a timeline works today, I've written 3 examples up here on the board. I have the Declaration of Independence, I have D-Day, and I have Plymouth. Declaration of Independence happened in 1776. D-Day, the invasion of Normandy, happened in 1944, and then landing and the founding of Plymouth Rock happened in 1620. So how do we put these in orders? Well, we have to figure out which number is the lowest number. The lowest number is going to be our first number. Plymouth is our lowest number, so that's going to be our first number. So all I have to do, I'm just going to write 1620, okay? And then for me to keep this straight, I might write Plymouth right below it. Okay. Our next number is going to be slightly higher. So our next number will be the Declaration of Independence. That happened in 1776. And then the next number after that would be D-Day happening in 1944. Okay. So the numbers increase as you go to the right. Okay. So as you're looking at it straight on, from left to right, like you read, it should gradually increase. Okay? If your numbers aren't gradually increasing, for example, if I have 1944 and then 1776, something has happened and something's wrong here, okay? So remember, they have to go from left to right and they have to increase as they go up. I hope that helps.